Hey guys, today I want to show you a small trick. We can say that, let's say you have your own repository, and in this repository you are also integrating in your workflow either Codex or Gemini or Claude. But as you all know, if now I'm having this repository and now I open the Codex CLI, you can see here the MCP is running. Okay, the MCP is authenticated, everything's working fine. Now here I prompt, let's say, add a new file that we can use as a main index file for this project. Now here Codex is working, but instead of just sitting and waiting for Codex to finish, here it's gonna finish immediately because it's just a small question and I need to add qualification. But instead, let's say we're working here and waiting for it to finish. What we can do is just open a new tab, and now here in this new tab we're still in the main branch. What we can do is just use Git Worktree add, and now here I just add, let's say, feature. I want to create a recurrent in the neural network. I create the directory for it and I check out main. Now I have this other branch created. Now what I can do is just cd there. Oops. What I can do like this. Now I'm having, if I check here, I'm having two work trees and I'm having two branches that are main and the feature RNN. Now if I do here Codex, I'm working on a different branch. So in this case, I'm having two agents. Let's say create a simple RNN in a new Python file. Now Codex is running here. And on the other side, I also have Codex open still with the same question. So this is a small trick that you can do to have two codexes or Claude or Gemini, anything you're using, to run at the same time. And this way you're not just waiting. Let's say here we're getting some, at the moment we don't have this, but if we're having some npm install here, we're gonna be waiting a long time on this case, especially if the internet is slow. So what we can do in another branch, we don't have to check out, we don't have to do stage, all of this, just use worktree, open a new directory, and in that directory you can work on the new branch and Codex can be running on that new branch. So this is a small trick to have multiple Codexes running in your repository so you don't have to wait and not know what to do during that time. And that's it. This is a small trick I saw that I recommend everyone to use in their workflow. That's it, guys. See you in the next video.